Accessibility project billing. So alignment accounting commitment to inclusively extend the ensure that the wellness programs are accessible to all employees, including those in the deaf and hard of hearings community, to support participation in on-site wellness workshop like guided meditation and yoga. Alignment accounting provides American Sign Language interpreters funded initially by the company and later reimbursement by a employee insurance plan. Okay, so the Apex Trigger workshop triggers generate a accessibility project recorded with the calculate amount whenever a workshop record is created with the DHL accessibility field mark 2. Okay, so I will quickly just open the workshop trigger. So it is a workshop trigger. This trigger runs after insert on workshop object. So just as mentioned in the challenge, whenever the workshop record is created with DHS accessibility true, it is adding the billing amount 50 and creating the accessibility project record with the like amount, billing amount, type and status. Now the status is just submitted and it insert the records of accessibility project. And after that it is calling the accessibility project billing with the call billing service. Okay. So your task is to complete the call billing service method within the accessibility project billing class. Okay, so this is the accessibility billing class and we need to write this call billing service. Okay, so you will interface with the SOAP service provided by the insurance company to submit the claims for these services. The goal is to ensure the accurate and timely reimbursement. To achieve this, you need to develop and configure a SOAP client that will communicate with the insurance company service, and the client will submit the billing claims including the project ID and the billing amount for the ASL interrupting services. So the billing service is exposed through a SOAP API. So consume this file, okay, and generate a proxy class for use for your call out. Okay, so we need to integrate with the third system uh, for the billing purpose using the SOAP API. So I will just quickly click on this file and it will generate the SOAP API. So in my condition, I need to generate the Apex class using the generate from WSM. I will click on generate from WSTL. I will provide my file which I just downloaded, open, and then I click on parse WSTL. Now here you need to provide the Apex class name. So as in the challenge mentioned, the class name should be billing service proxy. After that, just click on generate Apex code. So the following generated class compiled successfully with zero error. So asynchronous billing service proxy and billing service proxy. So I will just quickly copy its name and open it in a developer console. At the red future callout because we are making the callout. So that's why I need to annotate the method with at the red future keyword. Initiated the invoice port SOAP API, which is a proxy class for SOAP communication within the billing service, is generated and assigned to the variable stub. And also in a billing service proxy, if you see the invoice port SOAP API method, you will get an idea. So I just initiated that. After that, you need to also initiate the project one, where you need to pass the user ID and password for the authentication. I will quickly go here and add that. So here you can see already the for external access authentication parameter are already provided. So I'm not providing it again because I think it get assigned when the first thing we do on that balanced living app on the home. It is setup credential for outbound integration Superbadge. When you click on this setup button, it gives a success. At that time, it set up the it updates the name credential here in external apps. Like we write the functionality for callout. Now let's test it. Is it working or not? So to test it, what we have to do, we have to just create record on workshop object with the DH accessibility checkbox true, and